Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to convert horizontal videos to vertical formats with repurpose.io. Now let's start, and make sure to log in your repurpose.io's account. Then in the homepage of repurpose.io, select a workflow where you want to access the video. Now in here, I'll be accessing my videos from my Google Drive, then save to Google Drive. Just tap View Content. Then in here, just tap the setting icon and you can set the format of your video into vertical. You can select vertical or you can also use a predefined templates. Like for example, this one, our video would fit into the screen. So let's select this. Then tap Save. Now, in your video, whether you want to publish it now or schedule the publish, just tap schedule button. So it's up to you if you want to publish it now or schedule. So for now, we will be using a schedule. Then just select a date and time. Then let's wait for a while until our video is processed so that we can preview the video from horizontal to vertical. Now, we can preview the video. And there you go. Our horizontal video has already been converted into vertical. And if you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.